Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Abdul Alim, an assistant teacher of English day shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English language class for the student of class 3. Today's topic is Lesson 1, Exercise 1 and 2. Okay, come to the point. Topic: kinds of noun. Okay, first of all, we have to know the definition of noun. Dear students, we know that noun is a naming word. Okay, this is the definition of noun. Now, kinds of noun. Dear students, we know that noun is mainly two types. First of all, concrete noun, and second is abstract noun. Okay. And this concrete noun is also subdivided into four types. First one is proper noun, then common noun, collective noun, and material noun. Okay, this is all about kinds or types of noun. First of all, you can divide. Noun is divided into two types, mainly two types: concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun, that means this noun can be seen, can be touched. On the other hand, abstract noun can't seen. Okay, this concrete noun is also subdivided into four types. This is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. Today I am going to discuss proper noun and common noun. Dear students, you are requested to go to open your book, exercise 1. Now, exercise 1, write 5 proper noun for this common noun. This is exercise 1. That means in exercise 1, the question is saying that you have to write 5 proper noun for this common noun. That means there is a common noun. From that common noun, you have to write 5 proper noun. Number 1, area in your city, like Monastery, Rampura, Badda, and Kilgon, Maliban. Okay, dear students, here city is a common noun. From this, you have to write 5 proper noun like Bonasri, Rampura, Badda, Kilgon, Malibag. Okay, there is a that means prominent features between common noun and proper noun. Common noun, that means start small letter, and proper noun start with capital letter. All proper noun will be capital letter. Okay, this is capital letter. And number 2, cities. Okay, and you have to write 5 cities, 5 proper noun, okay, of cities, like Dhaka, Khulna, Sylhet, Rangpur, and Rajshahi. And number 3, states. Okay, here you have to write 5 proper noun, like Maharashtra, SHTRA, Maharashtra. Florida, West Bengal, Bihar and Goa, etc. And number 4, okay, number 4, countries. Dear students, countries, this is a common noun, and from countries you have to write 5 name of countries that will be proper noun, like Bangladesh, India, Nepal, China, and Japan. This is proper noun because these are starting with capital letter, like Bangladesh B, India I, Nepal N, C and J. And go to 5 point number 5, continents. Continents, it is a common noun. Okay, you have to write 5 proper noun. First one, Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America. This is 5 continent. Number 6, oceans. This is common noun, and you have to write 5 proper noun from oceans. Pacific, Indian, Atlantic, North Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Okay, then 7, rivers. Padma and Jamuna surma, tista, 1 2 3 4, tista and meghna. And last point, number 8, planets, planets, planets. Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars and Saturn. Okay, dear students, this is from your exercise on. Okay, there are 8 points are there. This is the city area in your city, and number 2 is cities, states, countries, continents, oceans, rivers and planets. From these 8 common nouns you have to write 5 proper noun from each points, like city. Okay, city in your locality, in your area, and cities, that means this is a big city like Dhaka, Khulna, Sylhet, Rangpur, Rajshahi. And states, Maharashtra, Florida, West Bengal, Bihar, Goa. And countries, Bangladesh, India, Nepal, China, Japan. Continent, Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America. Oceans, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Oceans, North Oceans and Bay of Bengal. Rivers, Padma, Jamuna, Surma, Tista, Meghna. And planets, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. That means this 8 is common noun and these are the proper noun. You notice that every proper noun is start with capital letter. Okay, and go to exercise 2. Okay. Exercise 2 is saying that pick out the nouns and write them in the correct columns. That means there are 2 columns are there. This is exercise 2. Proper noun and common nouns. Okay, there is a passage. From this passage you have to pick up proper noun and common noun. Okay, I am reading out. Long ago on the island of Crete in the country of Greece there lived a man. His name was Daedalus. Daedalus loved to watch the birds fly. He watched the way they used their wings. He saw how their feathers lay one upon another in their wings. Daedalus made his own wings. Every day he put them on and practiced flying. Then one day he was able to fly. Daedalus had a son named Icarus. Icarus watched his father practice flying. He wanted to fly too. From this passage, dear students, you have to pick up proper noun and common noun. Okay, now okay, this is proper noun. Crete. Okay, proper noun and common noun. And another proper noun is Greece. And there lived a man. Okay, common noun man and name. Okay, his name was Daedalus. Okay, another Proper noun is D-E-A-L-U-S, Daedalus. And love to us the birds. Here bird common noun. And another is island common noun. Okay. And another common noun is bird wings, feathers. Wings, feathers, and father, son. Okay. And Icarus, another is Icarus. Okay, dear students, from exercise 2 we have got 4 proper noun and 8 common nouns. 4 proper noun is Crete, this is a name, and Greece, this is the name of a country. Daedalus, name of a person, and Icarus, it is also name of a person. That's why this is a proper noun, and proper noun is starting with capital letter. Common noun, this is a common name of a person. Okay, man, name, bird, island, wings, feathers, father, son. Okay. This is all for today. Dear students, I am giving homework from exercise 1. You have to that means you have to do your homework from point number 1 up to 4, and you are requested to submit on Saturday. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.